Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix audio or sound problem in Onimusha Way of the Sword game. So without wasting time, here follow the solutions. Now the first solution is steps to fix audio or sound problem in Onimusha Way of the Sword game. So open Windows settings. On the left click on system, then click on sound, scroll down, click on more sound settings. Select your default device, for example speakers, then click on properties, go to the spatial sound tab, and from the drop down first select off option, then hit on apply, OK, and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if your problem is not solved and if spatial sound is already set to off, then from drop down select Windows Sonic for headphones, then hit on apply, OK, and then go ahead, launch the game and check. Solution 2, steps to fix audio or sound problem in Onimusha Way of the Sword game if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select properties. Go to services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Then click on apply and then check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 3 is to make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for audio settings within the Onimusha Way of the Sword game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using a speaker to see if any sounds play or not. Solution 4 is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals, so disconnect any peripherals devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. and then check. And the last solution is to set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you're using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve audio or sound problem in Onimusha Way of the Sword game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.